Dear students, today we will discuss about important organic compounds. We have to study the two important organic compounds, namely ethanol and ethanoic acid in this video. First, we will study the ethanol. The common name of ethanol is ethyl alcohol and its formula is C2H5OH and its long cut formula is CH3CH2OH. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol is generally known as alcohol or spirit. Physical properties of ethanol. Number 1, ethanol is a colorless liquid. Ethyl alcohol means ethanol, it do not have any color. Second, it has a pleasant odor. Third, it is soluble in water in all proportion. By adding water in alcohol, the alcohol of different concentration can be made 10%, 20%, 70%, 90%, etc. Fourth property, the boiling point of ethanol is 78 degrees Celsius. Fifth, it is combustible and burns with blue flame. It do not causes any kind of pollution. An aqueous solution of ethanol is neutral, means in aqueous solution of ethanol there is no effect on litmus paper. Chemical properties of ethanol. Number 1 property, reaction with sodium metal. When ethanol is reacted with sodium metal at room temperature, sodium ethoxide is formed and hydrogen gas is liberated. The reaction between ethanol and sodium can be elaborated as follows. When ethanol reacts with sodium, there is a formation of sodium ethoxide having formula C2H5ONA and hydrogen gas is liberated in the form of bubbles. The second chemical property, that is reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid. This reaction is also called as dehydration reaction. The meaning of dehydration reaction is loss of water molecule, that is simply called as a dehydration reaction. So when ethanol is heated at 170 degrees Celsius with excess of concentrated sulfuric acid, it loses water molecule to form ethene. The reaction is as follows. When ethanol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 170 degrees Celsius, it loses water molecule and there is a formation of ethene having formula CH2 double bond CH2. Uses of ethanol. Number 1, ethanol is used in medicines such as tincture iodine, different cough mixtures, and also in many tonics. In Ayurvedic tonics, the ethanol is self-generated. Second use, it is used as an important commercial solvent in different industries. Third number, ethanol is used as a clean fuel. It burns with a blue flame without causing any pollution. That's why ethanol is used as a clean fuel. The another most useful use of alcohol or ethanol is gasohol. Ethanol is a clean fuel. To increase the efficiency of petrol, it is mixed with petrol and such fuel is called as gasohol. The gasohol is used to decrease the use of petrol and it is nothing but it is a mixture of petrol and ethanol in a certain specific ratio. The second important organic compound is ethanoic acid, which is popularly known as acetic acid and has formula CH3COOH. Now let us discuss the properties of ethanoic acid. Number 1, ethanoic acid is a colorless liquid with boiling point 118 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of ethanoic acid is 118 degrees Celsius. Second property, it has a pungent odor. Third, it is acidic in nature and it turns blue litmus red. Fourth property, it is a weak acid. And the last property is 5 to 8% aqueous solution of ethanoic acid is known as vinegar. Vinegar is widely used as a preservative in pickles. Again, it can be used in kitchens also. Chemical properties of ethanoic acid. Number 1, reaction with sodium hydroxide having formula NaOH. When ethanoic acid or acetic acid is treated with sodium hydroxide, the neutralization reaction takes place to form sodium acetate and water. Here, sodium acetate is a salt. Acetic acid is a acid, while sodium hydroxide is a base. And from the definition of neutralization, whenever there is a reaction between acid and base, there is a formation of salt and water. So when ethanoic acid is reacted with sodium hydroxide, hydroxide group from NaOH and this H atom from ethanoic acid, they combines and they forms water and sodium acetate is formed. Second chemical reaction of ethanoic acid is reaction with sodium carbonate. Formula is Na2CO3. When ethanoic acid is treated with sodium carbonate, gives sodium acetate, carbon dioxide gas is evolved and water is formed. Lime water turning milky is the taste of carbon dioxide. So the reaction is as follows. Two molecules of acetic acid reacts with one molecule of sodium carbonate to form sodium acetate, carbon dioxide and water. Third chemical reaction, that is reaction with sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is also called as baking soda. When ethanoic acid is reacted with sodium bicarbonate, gives sodium acetate, carbon dioxide gas is evolved and water is formed. Here, one molecule of acetic acid reacts with one molecule of sodium carbonate to form sodium acetate, carbon dioxide and water. The reaction is similar with the reaction with sodium carbonate. Fourth chemical reaction is reaction with ethanol. This reaction is popularly known as esterification because in this reaction the ester is formed. That's why it is called as a esterification reaction. So when ethanoic acid is reacted with ethanol, means ethyl alcohol, in the presence of acid catalyst, ethyl ethanoate is formed. Here one molecule of ethanoic acid reacts with one molecule of ethanol to form ethyl ethanoate and water. In the last part of this video, we are going to discuss saponification. When an ester is reacted with alkali like sodium hydroxide, the corresponding alcohol and carboxylic acid are obtained back. This reaction is called as saponification reaction. This saponification reaction is used for the preparation of soap from fat. Edible oils or the fatty acids are nothing but these are the esters. When these esters are reacted with sodium hydroxide, the soap is formed and water is formed.